Check engine light and traction control light on. Don't panic, I'll show you 9 quick checks you can do right now in your driveway. Most take less than 5 minutes and don't require any expensive tools. Step 1. Check your gas cap. Twist it off and put it back on until it clicks 3 times. Look closely, cracks or worn seals can trigger an evap system error and light up your dash. Step 2. Check tire pressure. Use a gauge and compare it to the sticker inside your driver's door, not the tire sidewall. Low or uneven tire pressure can confuse your traction control system and trigger a warning. Step 3. Test your battery. With the engine off, set a multimeter to DC volts and test across the battery. If it reads below 12.4 volts, charge or replace the battery. Weak voltage can trigger false signals to your ECU. Step 4. Inspect your air filter. Open the airbox and check the filter. If it's darker than your morning coffee, replace it. A clogged filter restricts airflow and may trigger lean condition codes. Step 5. Check vacuum hoses. Start the engine and listen for a hissing sound. Run your fingers along the rubber hoses near the intake. Cracks, loose fittings, or disconnected lines can cause idle issues and warning lights. Step 6. Inspect wheel speed sensors. Turn your front wheels fully left or right. Look behind the brake rotors for small sensors and wires. Clean off dirt and check for damage. This is a common cause of traction control lights. Step 7. Clean your MAF sensor. It's right after the air filter box. Unplug it and spray only with MAF sensor cleaner, no other chemicals. Let it air dry completely before reconnecting. A dirty MAF messes with air fuel readings and triggers the engine light. Step 8. Do an ignition coil test. If your check engine light is flashing, you may have a misfire. Swap the ignition coils between cylinders. If the misfire code moves, you've found the bad coil, and you only need to replace that one. Step 9. Scan for codes. If the lights are still on after the first 8 checks, it's time to plug in an OBD2 scanner. Look up the code online or with an app to know exactly what's going wrong. It's the fastest way to stop guessing. Try these 9 quick steps before heading to the mechanic. Many of these issues can be fixed in minutes, and scanning codes at home could save you hundreds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more real-world DIY car fixes.